Hi, this is Harald from A1 Driving School. Today we're showing you what steps to take when changing lanes to the left on the motorway. Let's go and have a look. Hey, when changing lanes to the left on the motorway, we must make sure we maintain a good following distance, at least 2 seconds in good conditions. And once we're ready to change, we check the rear vision mirror. We can start to indicate to the left, and we make sure we indicate for at least 3 seconds. We do our side mirror check and our blind spot. If it's safe, we gently move across into the left-hand lane. Throughout the maneuver, we make sure we maintain our 2-second following distance. And once we're settled, we can check the rear vision mirror so we know what's behind us. Thank you for watching our video on what steps to take when changing lanes to the left on the motorway. We hope you found it useful. Next time we're showing you what steps to take when driving on country roads.